Hi guys, how are you? Currently we are decorating for tomorrow's Mahalakshmi function. So my cousins are decorating the background screen because this is our first Mahalakshmi after our marriage. So we thought of doing a little bit grand. So yeah, this is how it's going on. In the background, he is my bhavi's sister son. So he came to drop my relative. So we asked him to decorate the background, and he did the everything. So we were actually checking which one gonna look good. So we were discussing. So we mix Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, everything. So I just removed the voice, and I thought of doing a voiceover. So this is how the final background came off. I really like this background, guys. Seriously, we felt very happy to decorate, and I thank my cousin Bhushan for giving such a beautiful background. Hi guys, good morning. Today is the Varmahalakshmi festival on 20th August. So I just got ready, I just took bath. So I'm just going down to make all the arrangements. So yeah, come with me. I'll show you how. So I placed my background screen to arrange this. So Bhabhi is cleaning all the tables. So I'm placing a banana leaf to please place the goddess Lakshmi. These are the things. So I just put haldi and kumkum on top of banana leaf. So I couldn't able to record the voice since my niece was recording the video. So thought let me do voiceover from this. So after putting haldi and kumkum on top of banana leaf, I put a flower, and we're supposed to keep the goddess Lakshmi on top of rice. So this is the rice, and my bhabhi is placing the rice, and I'm just holding her hand. So this means we both have done the thing, like doing performing the puja, like. So she's placing the rice, and here it is, we are placing the body of Lakshmi. So after, there is a small bowl kind of a thing over there. So I'm just pouring a water and putting dry fruits in that water. So see guys, I really don't know the meaning for everything. My mom and my bhabhi taught me to do all these things, so we are just doing. And my mom is just rubbing haldi to a coconut, so which is where we put, like, this is the kalasha, right? So where I'm making a kalasha for a goddess Lakshmi. Here I am putting I'm just keeping a small what I call, I don't know, jag. Sorry, what they call bindike. I'm just making this for Yamuna Kalasha. So I'm just basically we are keeping Yamuna Kalasha. So for Yamuna Kalasha we don't have a big food. I just took a Goa. So this is a perfect shape, perfect size to keep for Yamuna Kalasha. And I just kept a flower to decorate Emna Kalasha. And for main Varmahalakshmi Kalasha, we are Kalasha is basically we are keeping the coconut on top of that bowl thing. So this is what happens. We just kept the face of Varma Lakshmi. I just tied the coconut and the face of Varma Lakshmi with a thread, and this is how it looks like. And I'm just putting a mala flower garland. So and I'll be performing, means after that I just wore all the jewels. This is my bhabhi's jewels. We are decorating the Lakshmi with the jewels, and I'm keeping the what it called, I don't know guys names and all in this thing. You might know what I'm doing here. I'm just showing a lotus flower here to decorate the goddess Lakshmi. And then I was keeping all the fruits in front of Goddess Lakshmi, and this is like for Naivedya they call to give Goddess Lakshmi. So we give five types of fruits, so each two pieces. So I kept banana, apple, orange, pomegranate, guava, and custard apple. And here my bhabhi is decorating a door. So we were decorating all the house itself actually. So it's like almost like a 2 hours process. So we couldn't able to record all the things. So I just kept little by little. And here I'm doing this thing what they call, I don't know your exact name. This actually we put on top of Goddess Lakshmi. We have kept Ganesha, Yamuna Kalusha, and Varmahalakshmi Kalasha. So we supposed to put this on top of Varmahalakshmi while priest was saying mantra. So I'm just decorating everything. I kept a kumkum over there. So this is what it looks like. Mm. In future I learn everything and I'll be explaining to you guys in the upcoming festivals. I'll study everything. So this time it just randomly thought of doing a vlog, so I just took my phone and started recording. So this is how the final output came. So it looks really nice. We took 2 hours to do all these things, and yeah. So guys, half of the arrangements are over. Almost partially we have done the arrangements. So now me, Bhabhi, and everyone are going to get ready themselves very beautifully, like wearing all the saris, wells, everything, and then we are going to perform the puja. So priest is going to come because it's the first time we are doing a festival no for after marriage. So thought of inviting priest for the puja performance, like to say sloka and all. So yeah, now I'm going to get ready myself and then we're gonna start doing puja. So I'm going to wear this sari, blue color sari and blue color blouse. This is my wedding Varapuja sari. So thought of wearing this one. Hey guys, I just got ready. So this is what my sari. I just wore all my jewels. So priest has also come. Now we're gonna start the puja. Yeah, let's get started with the puja. So I started the puja with lighting the deepa in front of Goddess Lakshmi. Me and Bhabhi did this and started the puja further.
कालीवाहनजके बौद्धावतारे रामक्षेत्रे अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके चान्द्रमानीन प्रभवादि दृष्टिसंवत्सराण मध्ये श्रीमत मङ्गलकर प्लवनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणायने शुभयोग शुभकरण एवं गुणविशेषणविशिष्टायामस्यां शोभाकेतो ममानुकुण्ड उपास्त समस्तादुर्जक्षैद्वार श्रीपरमेश्वरोद्दस्य श्रीपरमेश्वर परित्यर्थ वर्षे वर्षे कर्तव्य एतद्वर्षपरित्यद्वार वरमहालक्ष्मी व्रताख्यं कर्म करिष्ये पूर्वक्षं अर्चनाचार्य ओम प्रणय पूजा द्रव्याన్ని సంప్రోక్ష మీరు ప్రోక్షణ చేసుకోండి తేనా ద్రవ్యేన ఆత్మానం సంప్రోక్ష అప్పుడు భక్త విషయింద ఆత్మ నిర్విఘ్నేన పరిసమావాప్త్యస్వ ఉత్తరోత్తమ గణపతి దేవతాభ్యో నమః వస్త్రయజ్ఞం సమర్పయామి वस्त्रयज्ञं समर्पयामि वस्त्रार्थं पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि ओम वेदपुत्रमायुक्ते यज्ञसामसमन्विते सर्ववर्णं पुले देवा वासुदेव पुलिवृक्षजानि मुरेचान देवाय परमात्मने राजमानरकाचोराजयज्ञोतममायुक्ते एकात्रीपं दर्शयामि एकात्रूपी परन्द्रं समर्पयामि पल्लु तांबूलो नैवेद्యం తీసుకోండి ఇమ్మది
మానపులు తీర్చుమయా ముద్ది కోరి వచ్చి నా మొడుకులు తీర్పుమయా నమో వెంకటేశ
రమ్యక పద్మే రమ్మక్క యమా నమః కరుణికామతే సంతత్వాయ నమః రంరంజసే నమః సంతపసే నమః చోడకులాయ నమః శూన్యత పంచామృతాంతవనాం కమలాపతే అవపెట్టుకోండి మధుపర్క ఏం పువ్వుడాయ నమః కామిన్యే నమః కమలాయ నమః దేవ్యే నమః నక్షత్రరూపాయ నమః పద్మచారిణే నమః మంత్రేణ కుంకుమార్చనం సతుర్విరామ పూజాం సమర్పయామి సమగ్రం తీసుకోండి సామే దత్తనే మానవ ఉండే జాతవే లోకామచ్చంబరగంజన అవేతర మహాదేవే లోకామచ్చంబరగంజన అవేతర మహాదేవయ మానామని భాగ్య
వాణిని నేను చేతిల నుంచి పసడి నోటిల పాటలు పాడుచు మేఘమేవమ్మ కావగరావా సరదేవి చెడువుల తెల్లి.
So guys, puja is finished. So now I'm going to my bhabhi's friend's house to take turmeric and kumkum. We call it as Archana Kumkuma collection. So they also come to my home to take Archana Kumkuma. So I'm going there. I'll show you while we're traveling. So this is my bhabhi's friend's house. We came to collect haldi kumkum from them. So this is our ritual. We take it from the other home and they also come to my home. Hi guys. Happy Varamahalakshmi festival. So guys, we have come to Bhabhi's friend's house to receive, as I said, Archana Kumkuma. So now we are leaving their home. So even we need to distribute Archana Kumkuma to relatives and friends and neighbors. So yeah. So after we coming from my bhabhi's friend's house, my mom decorated a little bit more. So after the puja, it was a little bit messy, and my mom kept all the flowers little bit. And this rangoli was did by my chef Janaki Akka, and this is how it looks in the evening. So guys, it's 6:30 in the evening. This finished 2 houses. I went to take haldi and kumkum. So now they are going to come to my house. We have invited for 3 to 4 people. So they might come anytime. So I'm waiting for them to give haldi and kumkum for the occasion of Mahalakshmi. It's a ritual that we follow from long ago. That's very good to also. So as you can see, I'm so tired. I got up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So it looks a little bit tired, and I'm not supposed to wash my face also. So that's why I'm looking like that. And I thought of not to remove the sari. I really like the sari being in this traditional look. So yeah. Evening we have one more puja. So we'll be reading a story of our Mahalakshmi festival, and then we are going to remove all those things tonight. So yeah, and we keep on sharing till the night.
ವರಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ವ್ರತಕಥ. ದಿವ್ಯ ರಮಣೀಯವು ಪವಿತ್ರವೂ ಆದ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಪರ್ವತನ ಶಿಖರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿಯೊಡನೆ ಅಸೀನನಾದ ಮಹಾದೇವನನ್ನು ನಾರದ, ಪರಶರ, ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ, ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿಗಳ ಮೊದಲಾದ ಮಹಾನ್ ತಪಸ್ವಿಗಳು ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿ ಧನ್ಯರಾದವೆಂದುಕೊಂಡರು. ಮಂದಾರ పిలిచిన వెంటనే పలికింది, అడిగినదంతా ఇచ్చింది. సాయంకాల సమయంలో గీతం చూడండి, ముత్యాల హారం చూడండి, వరలక్ష్మి వచ్చును తల్లి వరలక్ష్మి వచ్చును తల్లి వరలుగా కాంచనహారం గరువున మిరియగ పీతాంబరముల శోభలు నిండుగ సౌభాగ్య లక్ష్మీ రామమ్మ అమ్మ.
So guys, that's it for this vrata and vlog. So I really enjoyed this making, means doing the vlog. I don't know, I might have done perfectly or not, because we have to perform puja, no, so I might have missed some of the things, but overall I really enjoyed. It's almost 9 o'clock in the evening. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. I'll be doing some more vlogs on these festivals, like we have Gauri festival, Pala Gauri festival, Ganesha Chaturthi, and two more things. So I'll be keep on making vlogs like this kind of prathas to you guys. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you enjoy, give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.